Hi guys! So for my video, I'm going to show you how to restyle your hair when it's dirty. I did just dry shampoo my hair with the VERB dry shampoo, the powder, which is really nice because it absorbs all the oils and it'll help give you like a little more lift and a little more volume. So there's two ways I like to apply this, and I either, like, when it gets loose, you can squirt the dust out of the top, or I'll like drizzle it on my scalp, kind of like that. So I'm just gonna do the back area here. Some spots got a little more. It's a little hard not doing this in a mirror. All right. Perfect. So now that we have our beautiful dry shampooed hair, I'm gonna go ahead and brush it out. So now that my hair is dry shampooed, it's all brushed out. I like to brush it after I dry shampoo because the oils can move through the rest of the hair and then it can absorb any extra oil that I have like on the mid shaft areas. So I'm gonna go ahead and section. I like to section like a top mohawk here. That's gonna give us the most amount of lift, and then it's gonna also help the hair like fall on its natural part. I don't like fighting with what the hair wants to do. I'd rather go with it and let it, let it do its thing, because if you fight it, you're always gonna fight. So here's our top mohawk, and I like to stick within like a peace sign section. And the sides and the back, we're gonna split down the center and go just about mid to top ear, depending on how much hair you have. And clip the rest away. And same thing on the other side.
When I'm doing a blow dry on dry hair, I normally use a metal brush because that's gonna act as a curling iron when the barrel heats up, and it'll actually help give your hair more bounce and more body and help style it into a new shape.
All right, so now that the bottom pieces are done, our bottom section, depending on how much curl you want is how much like I'll twist the brush out. So if you notice, I was rolling the brush up like this. So when you come out, I like to twist away from the face. So that would be away from the face versus something this way would be towards the face. So you want to think of like which way you want your spiral to go. I'd say most common is away from the face. So I turn away from the face. Depending on how many twirls you do is going to be how bouncy your hair is. Also, depending on how big your barrel is of your round brush is going to depend on how bouncy it is as well. So we're going to go with our next section. Okay, so I go like temple to temple all the way around. So this is actually exactly how I style hair in the salon. I'll work in the back and I work my way up front. And if I'm blow drying with my assistant, what I'll do is I'll do the front sections. So I'll separate the top, then the sides, and then the back. And what she'll do is she'll do the whole back section, and then I'll come and do the front and the top. So we're gonna start in the back, work forward, and we start on the other side and work forward as well. guess what's next? Top section. Well, the top of the bottom, not the mohawk. So same thing here. Now in this area, the back, the crown area, which is pretty much like everything from the round of your head up, we're going to lift straight up out of your scalp to give you the most amount of volume. Real quick, also to get the most amount of natural volume, I like to combine the left and the right side in the center. That way your hair won't split. Everyone's hair splits in the back somewhere. Just brush those two sections together first. Now we'll blow dry straight up. For my scalp. Don't do that at home. So now that this is all nice and hot, I like to just roll it up, roll it back down, give it a little tug. Sometimes I'll walk around like this for a little bit, or like do my brows or lipstick or whatever. You can let this sit, and once it cools down a little, you'll get a little, like more, it'll give you longevity with your bounce and your volume when it cools down. All right, now that the whole bottom part is done, we're gonna work in this mohawk section. We're gonna start in the back and work our way forward. And we'll do probably 3 sections. So like I said, start in the back. Oh, look at that beautiful section. It's so crooked. So I like my sections to be about as big as my barrel. It's a good rule of thumb. That way you don't lose control of your hair. You lose control when you don't get styled properly. So you can see that this is about 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches big. So my brush is about the same size. All right. We'll take our next section now. Like I could probably do this in 1 section, but I think the ideal person will do 3. In this area, the last area is gonna be like your fringe. So if you have any bangs, whether they're forward or to the side, if they're just like face roaming layers like mine, save those for last. Or if you have like front bangs, I would do them first. Or even side bangs if they're shorter, because they'll dry faster. Same thing here, we're gonna pull straight up. All right, last part or section. So, depending on how your bangs are, like if they go forward, go forward. If they go to the side, go to whatever side they go to. For me personally, I like to go everything straight up and back, just like we did the rest of the mohawk section. That'll help the hair fall in its natural position, and it just looks really nice framing the face. So now that we're done, don't brush just yet. I like to take sometimes warm air or cool air and to brush everything back together. So that'll help connect all the sections and kind of smooth everything out to like lock it in so it'll last long. Now it does not look like I just pulled my hair out of a 2-day ponytail. Looks like I just got my hair washed and blow dried. So at this point you can kind of see like if you need more dry shampoo, or if you wanted to go ahead and curl, this would be a great time to do that. When that hair is really polished and you can run your fingers through without getting stuck, that's what's gonna make your blow dry last as long as possible. So despite your greasy roots, if you have a good blow dry, it'll last. Hope you guys liked my video and have a great day.